What's up, guys, and welcome to another episode of Down South Adventures. Now, we're out here working on the Z, doing a little sandblasting, but I've got a different kind of review for you today, one that you wouldn't typically see on this channel, and we've got a baby monitor from the folks at OTTOCAST. This is supposed to be wireless. It hooks into CarPlay, so we're going to pop it in Jeffrey's Raptor and check it out. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so the OTTOCAST, what this is, it's not like a backup camera or anything like this. When you've got a kid in the back seat, sometimes they get quiet and you're wondering what the heck they're doing. So this thing is going to be a wireless camera that's supposed to plug right into something with wired CarPlay.
And we have wired CarPlay.
I just want to start by saying that's adorable. Looks like a little owl. All right. You think you're going to need instructions, Jeffrey, or do you think we're going to be able to pick this up?
Insert the receiver into the port, which I have.
Look at that little dongle. All right, so in the Raptor, that'll be down here, guys. Can't see it well because he's got a tray in, but it's fine. There it is. So it's going to plug straight into there. And I love that it's wireless because you don't have to worry about, wires hanging out of it.
It's got a C adapter. So let's do USB-C.
Oh, it does have a C adapter?
Yep.
Well, that's cool. All right, let's look at that thing. How adorable is that? It's the cutest little guy. Looks like a little owl, and so it looks like only one side's an actual camera. So the other one's just a little winky face. But yeah, super, super cool.
And there's a power cord.
Okay. So what's the power cord for? I guess this is rechargeable. So I guess, is it rechargeable or do you power it somehow?
I think it's powered by the cord.
Gotcha, so you will in fact need a wire.
But we have
all right. Okay. And as you can hear, we have our stunt child over here to see if the camera shows up. Dun, 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 dun.
well, power.
All right. So power's showing up. He's excited about it.
Hang on, Bubba. Apple CarPlay.
All right.
Continue. Agree.
And it says it's loading.
And we're English. And I agree.
So you can do CarPlay or camera. Nice. Well, that was pretty easy. So what about the CarPlay with split screen? Do you know how to get back there?
That wasn't for a second.
CarPlay.
So now, I guess it'll make your phone wireless CarPlay.
Maybe. If that's the case, that's even cooler.
Settings. Bluetooth.
So it's pretty cool, guys, because it actually just shows the instructions right there on the screen, making it pretty easy. Pairing request. Boom.
Can I get in your seat?
In your seat.
Get in your seat and you can go.
And now we have wireless CarPlay.
I'll be darned. And I wonder how you get back to your camera, though. Is it that drive button down there? Drive weather.
Can you put your belt on?
Nice. So did you see that, guys? Like, it starts as small and he was able to just bring it out larger.
You can move it.
And I think this has does it have a strap so that you can put it on your headrest? Is that?
Yeah,
That's how it
it's
goes.
in the box.
All right, so we're gonna strap this thing up and show you what it would look like while he was driving. All right, guys, so it has a, what is that, a ball mount?
It's got a headrest mount.
Oh, that's cool. So
Just clamps to the bar of the
just
head,
clamp it on the bar.
or a mount that would strap over and around. So
Okay.
since we have Roush headrest, we're doing this
Yeah, for sure.
one.
So as easy as pulling that up.
That'd be it.
Your address code.
It's on the ball. Nice. All right, and so now it's just gonna mount with that little ball. 10-1 says he grabs it.
Maybe not. Look, what's that got? He said cheese.
Oh, look, guys. So, oh,
Here, shut the door and see if it takes the sun out.
Yeah.
Glare.
bye.
And
How
we're ready to
cool
go
is
for
that?
a ride.
So honestly, that was a quicker setup than I expected it to be.
Yep. And it comes with plenty of cord.
Yeah, I mean, if you had a big van, it would probably reach to a third row.
Yep.
Yeah, that's super cool. All right, and it's kind of washed out right now because of the sun. We could probably pull the truck forward. You got your keys with you?
Yeah,
go for a
what's
ride.
your link?
So imagine the peace of mind now. You've still got your CarPlay up. You're still doing your normal things. But now he can see what little man's doing without having to try to wiggle around and look in the rearview mirror and angle the mirror
constantly
down.
move the
right.
review.
Yeah, so much better picture quality now that we're in the shade. You guys can't, it doesn't translate well on video, but yeah, much better.
We're gonna have to take it for a ride now.
Yeah, for sure. But man, I'm just super pleased with this. Again, guys, it's AutoCast Cabin Care car adapter. As long as your car has a wired CarPlay, this will work. And the cool thing is, now it turns your car into wireless CarPlay. So you get, it's a 2-for-1. That's awesome. Super easy install. It comes with 2 mounts, so what Jeffrey was just saying is he's going to leave this mount in the truck and use the other mount in his wife's Escalade. So, yeah. Jeffrey, I think this is the easiest review we've ever done. All right, guys, so just to show you, this is what it looks like in the back. Super cool. And you're a fan, right? Yeah, he's a fan. And so, yeah, so it just sits there and watches. Guys, this was the easiest YouTube review I've ever done. AutoCast, well done. It's cute. He doesn't even notice it. Right? All right, Jeffrey. I'm gonna do it while your kid's screaming.
Okay. We went for a quick ride.
It was
long enough.
that ride was not long enough to test the product. But overall, from a dad standpoint, if you had bought that, how happy are you with it? Was it easy, all that stuff?
That was probably one of the best investments
Yeah.
because I'm all the time turning the mirror down, trying to see and look and
Yeah.
watch him.
Now you don't have
Now we
to.
don't have to. And I got wireless CarPlay now.
Yeah.
So keep an eye on him all the time and wireless CarPlay.
It's a win.
Yeah. Super.
AutoCast, great job. If this is something you're interested in, let me know in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and we'll see you next time.